wondered what insider trades are? Promoters or owners of companies have much information at their disposal about the company's future plans and direction. When they buy their own company stocks from the market, it reinforces confidence in the company. The assumption is that they are privy to information that otherwise is not available to the general public, and that is price sensitive. Nevertheless, they have to report to the stock exchange when they buy, sell, and pledge their own company shares. Now at Strike, we make tracking this insider trades a breeze. Our platform offers a dedicated section where you can filter data by investor category, mode of transfer, transfer type, quantity, value, and much more. Plus, we provide you insights into bulk deals and also block deals. But that's not all. You can access a wealth of stock data with Strike. Discover hidden treasures in the market by registering for free at web.strike.money today. Stay ahead of the game with Strike, your key to unlocking the world of insider trading and more.